if you want to power off and set your side button on your Samsung Galaxy 26, it's quite easy to do. So here are a couple ways of powering off. The first one is to swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to locate this power icon. Tap here and simply press power off. Easy as that. The second method is to locate your side button. There it is. Hold it a little bit and now simply press power off. Easy as that. And if you want to set some other options on your side button, it's quite easy to do. Open up your settings. Now you have to scroll down right to your advanced features. Here locate your side button, and here you can choose what will your side button do. So double press on your side button would open up camera, torch, magnifier, or something else. For example, let's set it on torch. And now we're gonna try and open up our torch. We can easily do that with our double click. And so on and so forth. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.